In this video, I'll show you how to set up Stripe for beginners using a no-code solution. First, go to the Stripe website and click Sign Up. Create your account by entering your email address, full name, and password. Next, follow the onboarding process and enter your business information. Stripe will ask for details such as your business name, country, and the type of products or services you sell. After that, add your bank account information so Stripe can send your payouts directly to your bank account. Now, complete any identity verification steps that Stripe requires. Depending on your country, you may need to provide additional business or personal information. Once your account is set up, go to the Stripe dashboard and look for the Payment Links option. This is one of the easiest no-code ways to start accepting payments. Next, click Create Payment Link and enter your product or service information, including the price and payment type. Then save your changes. After that, Stripe will generate a payment link that you can share with customers through email, social media, your website, or messaging apps. Now, test the payment link to make sure the checkout page works correctly and displays the right pricing information. Finally, start sharing your payment link and monitor incoming payments directly from your Stripe dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Stripe for beginners using a no-code solution. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.